Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. My name is Amy and today I am sharing a video I recorded many months ago and never was able to get it out to you. So this is an unboxing of a coloring book that can only be purchased on Etsy or the artist's website, but I think it takes you back to Etsy. I am excited to share it with you. I'm excited to color it with you, and I haven't seen a whole lot of videos on this coloring book, so we're going to explore this one together, and I sure hope you enjoy it. So let's get the video started. So we are going to be opening this one up. It's international. I got it, and it's humongous, and it was expensive. And the shipping was expensive, but I've been wanting it for so long, so I had to get me one. Had to. So let me find some scissors. So here we go. As you can see, fragile all over it. Stickers on both sides. Let's see. This says the tear strip is hiding under the tape. Okay. Has anybody ever heard of Wildergorn? If you haven't, look it up. I'm so excited for this. I got this off of Etsy. So it was not very many available, and I thought if I'm going to get it, I'm going to get it now. I don't know how often he puts out new copies of the coloring book, but you all will have to check it out. I am not affiliated or getting any perks by this. This is just me. I bought it myself, and I'm just so excited about it. Greetings from Wildergorn, and I'm saying that wrong. Wildergorn, and many thanks for your order. Very best wishes and keep safe, Jamie. Hee. So excited! Let's see. So there's his little message. It looks to be handwritten. An expedition to capture the true colors of Wildergorn. An Intrepid explorer of Wildergorn. I'm so excited. Oh, how exciting. Anyways, okay, let me do this. Let me take this box out of the way. Excited. So you can go to wildergorn.com to order this. So let's see what he gave me. So we have Mysterious World for Intrepid Colorers. Oh, it's a postcard. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. So these are probably pictures from his coloring book that he made. They're all postcards. I love this. And you know, I have seen this in other videos, but I forgot about it. Isn't that cool? Esteemed fellow explorer, greetings. Find many thanks for setting out on the expedition to capture the true colors of Wildergorn. Very best wishes and keep safe. And then I'll read that rest later. Oh, nice. So these are the postcards that you can color and send to people. Oh, I'm so excited. Now it's time to open the book. Time to open the book. Hey. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's humongous. It is humongous. Let me see if it's in the camera. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Okay, good. Let me take this off. Oh, look at this thing. By Jamie Courtier. I hope I said that right. Oh my lands, look at that. Spiral bound, very nice board for the covers. Mysterious World for Intrepid Colors. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at this. And you get 2 ribbons. 2 ribbons. Love it. Nice ribbons too. They feel like they're double-sided, whatever those are called. Oh my. Oh, here's the map. An invitation. I'm not going to read it. You guys, if you want to read it, take a snapshot. I'll read it later. Look at this, how beautiful. I love it. I love it. Hope you all can see everything. Let's see. Here, let me bring it up to you some so you can kind of see how detailed this is. And this is my hand on this book. It's humongous. It's humongous. Let me see how big it is. Hold on. I can't find my tape measure, so we're going to use a ruler. So, from one side to the other. Okay, so that's 12 inches there. So 12 to 4.5. So 16.5 by it looks like 12, almost 12.5 inches. It looks like 16.5 inches by 12.5 inches. 1 foot, over 1 foot by 1 foot. 1.5 feet by 1 foot. So that is humongous. Oh, and look at how cute. Oh, I'm so excited. This feels like really thick paper. I'm wondering if I can use alcohol markers on this. Because my daughter bought me some alcohol markers so I can color with alcohol. Oh, look at. Oh, oh-wee, 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 oh-wee. Looky. I love it. Oh, look, it looks like they're gossiping down there. Telling secrets on other people. So we get a story, we get pages to color. A beautiful book. I don't know. I want to color this right away, but at the same time I want to make sure my coloring skills are really good before I touch this. Oh, I don't want to mess anything up. I don't know. I may end up coloring it because I won't be able to hold back. Oh my lands, how beautiful. I've seen people opening this, doing an unboxing for this book, but there's not a lot of people coloring in it, and I'm like, what? So I'm gonna have to look that up. And maybe I will do a video on me coloring this because I love it. And I'm trying to let you all see, I don't know if you can see it. Very weird looking things, creatures for sure. But man, the imagination, let your imagination flow. Look how pretty. Ooh, I love that. And then the hot air balloons. Oh, look at that little creature there. It's kind of like a mix between a anteater and a horse. Or maybe it is a horse. Just a weird looking horse. Don't know. And then this one. There's so much detail here. In fact, I didn't even see this guy here at first. So I think when I start coloring it, I'm going to see things that you don't see just right off the bat. There's a lot of hidden pictures. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And there's a lot of pages. So I'm just gonna go real quick. How cool. I think this is the one I seen one of the YouTubers coloring in. I'm gonna have to go check her video out and see if she ever finished it. I think that's the page she was working on. Oh, I just love this. Love it, love it, love it. If any of you decide to get this, let me know. We can see what each other's work. That is funny. That guy is. Oh, okay, I get it. I can't wait to read the story. The story's going to be good. Definitely pretty cool. And then the last page. So here's a color test page. I was hoping that was going to be in here because I want to see if my alcohol markers will work in this. Because if they do, I may be using them. We're going to see. So that's cool. And then here's another part of the map. I wonder if this is the same map that's in the front. Let's look. No, it's a different one. So nice. Look at that. This is a really nice board. Chipboard, I think they call it. And then this is the back of it. This is just some of the pages. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is first video in over a year. I'm super excited to get started on YouTube and Rumble and whatever other places I decide to put my videos. So please check me out. I'm gonna try and do at least one video a month. I would like to do way more than that, of course, but I have a lot going on. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. If there's something you would like me to try to do, let me know. Anything. And if you just want to say hi, that would be great, because I haven't talked to you all in a long time. We haven't done crafts together in a long time, and I'm hoping that that's going to change. So here we go. Love you all, and I will see you in the next video.